Hello guys, if you have a F-150 or really any car door that creaks when you open and close it, first thing you got to do is make sure that you tighten these bolts, which is this one here on the actual vehicle's frame, and then on the door panel you'll have two more bolts. These are all 10 millimeters, so 10 millimeter bolts. Tighten those all down. You don't want to over tighten them, just get them snug if they're loose. Otherwise you could strip them. But in my case, this one I had tried to tighten it. I tried lubing it with grease. So you're supposed to put some grease back here on the back side. As you can see, there's supposed to be grease right here. This is actually called a door check arm. A door check arm. And this basically sits in there like this. And that black arm is what retracts. What I did was I tied a piece of rope onto here, and I had to take the whole frame out, but it wouldn't fit, and I couldn't get my hand back there. So what I did is I put a piece of rope or wire, twisted it, pulled it out. I got another piece, tied it to the back of that and pulled it. So I was able to work it back and forth, tied the new one on, which is this one, and pulled it in, put all three bolts, then I tightened them. But make sure you put them in and start them. Don't tighten them until you have everything in place. That way everything lines up. But after you do that, your creaks should go away. This is going to be the part number. Shoot, I don't have the part number. I'll put it on the screen, but you could also look up FLP552 for Ford. But this is called a door check arm. So I bought this off eBay for like 26 bucks. It came in like 3 days. USPS. But now all you gotta do is close the door. It feels like $1,000,000. It's like a damn Bentley. You don't even hear it. Before it was even after trying to tighten everything up. So if you're getting door creaks and sounds that you can't seem to get rid of, try greasing it and tighten the bolts first. If that doesn't work, then your check arm is probably bad, and they're only like 26 bucks from Ford. This is an OEM part. So hope that helps you guys out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks.